Hello students, today I'm going to explain, that is the practical. I'm going to show you practical from this unit number 3, reconstitution of partnership firm, admission of a partner. Students, already I have given explanation in my previous video, that is the meaning of reconstitution, right? What is meant by reconstitution? That is when old agreement comes to an end and new agreement comes into effect, that is called reconstitution, right? And second, on what situations, or you can say on what circumstances the reconstitution take place? The number 1, change in the profit sharing ratio. Number 2, admission of a new partner. Then number 3, retirement or death of a partner. Then amalgamation of 2 or more firms. These are the different situations when reconstitution of partnership firm take place, right? Now, today I am going to discuss admission of a partner. See, when new partner admitted, in this case, some adjustments are there. So what is written there? See, admission of a partner. The following adjustments are required when new partner is admitted into the firm, right? So what are the adjustments? Number 1, calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So this number 1 adjustment, that is new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio, today I am going to explain. Then second adjustment, that is the adjustment of goodwill. Third adjustment, treatment of reserve, accumulated profit or losses. Fourth, revaluation of assets and liabilities, and also you have to prepare new balance sheet. And number 5, capital adjustment. Okay, so these are the adjustments when new partner admitted to the firm. So today, first adjustment, that is new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio, I am going to explain. I am going to show you the practical also. Okay. So let us discuss the adjustment. New or incoming partner is entitled to share profits, right? What I said, new or incoming partner is entitled to share future profits of the firm. In effect, there is a change in the old profit sharing ratio, since new or incoming partner acquires his share from old partners. Therefore, it is necessary to determine new profit sharing ratio and also sacrificing ratio. Now, what is meant by new profit sharing ratio? The new profit sharing ratio is the ratio in which all partners, including new or incoming partner, share future profits and losses of the firm. Okay, so this is the meaning of new profit sharing ratio. Now, while you calculate new profit sharing ratio, so there are different situations given. Okay, so today I will discuss the first situation. What is the first situation, or what is the first case related to the new profit sharing ratio? First case, that is when new or incoming partner acquires his share from old or existing partners in their old profit sharing ratio. This is the first case related to the new profit sharing ratio. In such a situation, the share of the new partners is given. Remember, the share of the new partners is given, and it is assumed that the new partner has acquired his share from old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, old partners therefore continue to share balance profits or losses in their old profit sharing ratio. In other words, unless otherwise agreed, profit sharing ratio among the existing partners remain unchanged. The new profit sharing ratio among all the partners is determined by deducting new or incoming partner share from one, okay, and then dividing the balance in old profit sharing ratio of the old partners. Okay, so let's see one question related to this situation. Okay, see, this is the first situation. When new or incoming partners acquires his share from old or existing partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So let's see the question. Arun and Varun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:1. So Arun and Varun are two old partners and their profit sharing ratio given 4:1. This is called old ratio. Okay. After that, they means Arun and Varun. The old partners admit Chayan as a new partner. The Chayan is new or incoming partner for 1/5 share in future profits. That means new partners got 1/5 share in future profits. That means new partners profit, how much he got? That is 1/5. Okay. Question asked here, calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. Okay. And also we'll find out sacrificing ratio. Okay. So remember, when old partners share given, okay, and new partners profit also given, in this case, how you will calculate new profit sharing ratio? Okay, so let's see. What are the steps you will follow in the first situation? Remember, these two are old partners. Old partners profit, that is the profit sharing ratio given, and new partner when admitted, then he got 1/5 share future profits. The old partners share given and new partners acquired his share from the old partners, that is given. In this case, how you will calculate new profit sharing ratio? Okay, the steps you remember. First situation I'm talking about. What is the first situation? That is, you can say case number 1 related to new profit sharing ratio. Okay. What is the first situation? When new, okay, when new or incoming partners who is a new partner here according to this question? Chayan, right? Chayan is a new partner. When new or incoming partner acquires his share from old partners. So new or incoming partner is here Chayan. He acquires his share from old partners. Okay, how much? How much new partner acquires share from the old partners? That is 1/5. Okay, that is here 1/5. Acquires his share from old partners, that is 1/5. And who is new partner here? Chayan. Right? Chayan. Okay. So acquires his share from old partners, that is 1/5 in their means old partners, in their old partners, that is Arun and Varun. Okay, in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, or you can say in their older ratio. Old ratio means, what is the old ratio given of the old partners? That is 4:1. Okay, 4:1. Now you see, this is the first situation when new or incoming partner acquires his share from old partners in their old ratio. In this situation, in this case, how you calculate new profit sharing ratio? The steps you remember? What are the steps here? First steps number 1. Step number 1, let total share of profit, let total share of profit be 1. First step you have to write like this way, under this situation, while you calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, remember this. Step number 1, what you have to write? Let total share of profit be 1. You have to assume that the total profit here 1. Okay. Second, what you have to write? Second, what you have to calculate? Calculate remaining share of profit. We assume that total profit is 1. Out of total profit, whatever given to the new partners, okay, after giving whatever left, that is called remaining share of profit. So what you have to do? Second, that is in the second steps, you have to calculate remaining share of profit. How you will calculate this one? So from this total profit, that is 1, from this total profit you have to subtract new partner's share. Okay, what is the new partner shares here given in the question? That is 1/5, because new partner got this much share, right? So this is called new partner share. So from this total profit you have to deduct new partner share, and whatever left, that is called remaining share of profit. This remaining share of profit for whom? For the old partners. Now what you have to do? This third steps you have to do like this. Divide. Okay, divide remaining share. This remaining share, divide remaining share between old partners. Okay, divide remaining share between old partners. Who are old partners here? That is Arun and Varun, right? So divide remaining share between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio means old ratio. What is the old ratio? Old ratio is 4:1 of the old partners. Okay, old profit sharing ratio. Okay, acha. Now remember students, in the first situation while you calculate new profit sharing ratio, that is when the old partner share given and new partner share also given. In this case, if question asks to calculate sacrificing ratio, then sacrificing ratio will be the old ratio. Whatever the old ratio, that will be the sacrificing ratio. Just wait for a few minutes. First I will discuss about this new profit sharing ratio. After that I will show you there is a sacrificing ratio. Okay. So divide remaining share between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, and old ratio is sacrificing ratio, and that old ratio also will be sacrificing ratio. Okay, so these are the steps to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, that means what? In this situation, while you calculate new profit sharing ratio, the first steps, that is the total share of profit. Second, you have to calculate remaining share of profit. Third, you have to calculate, that is the divide remaining share of profit between old partners. Okay, and remember, if remaining profit are divided between the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, then sacrificing ratio will always be their old profit sharing ratio. That means what I said, in this situation, that old ratio is also known as sacrificing ratio, and sacrificing ratio formula, that is old ratio minus new ratio, that I will show you, don't worry for that. Okay, so let's try to understand. Okay, now you see the question here. What is given? First of all, Arun and Varun are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 4:1. So these two are the old partners, their ratio given 4:1, right? They admit Chayan as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profit, that is the new partner share, that is given 1/5. Now calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. So what are the steps you have to follow first? That first you have to write, let total share of profit be 1. Okay, so let's see. Solution. Okay, first you have to write here, let, okay, total share of profit, okay, be 1. You have to take 1. Okay, after that you see the new partner share, that is the new partner here is Chayan, and new partner share is given 1/5 share, right? So you have to write here Chayan's share, that is 1/5, right? Now you have to calculate the remaining share, right? You have to calculate what? Remaining share. See, second step, calculate remaining share. So how you will calculate remaining share? From this total profit you have to deduct the new partner share, right? So you have to write here, that is you have to write here remaining share of profit. So remaining share of profit, that is from this total profit 1, you have to deduct the new partner share, that is 1/5, 1/5. If you do LCM, the 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 5 same, that is 1, 5 minus 1, 4/5. So this is the remaining share of profit. For whom? For the old partners. For the old partners, who is the old partner here? That is A and B, right? Old partners A and B. A and B means Arun and Varun. This is for Arun and Varun. Okay, Arun and Varun. So this remaining share of profit will be divide. Okay, will be divide what? See, third step, see here. Remaining share divide between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So whatever the remaining share of profit, this one you have to divide between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. That means what? How you will calculate? So let's see how you will calculate. Okay, the remaining share we have written. So now you have to write here, that is Arun's new share. Okay, Arun's new share. What I said here, divide remaining share. The remaining share is what? Remaining share is 4/5. 4/5, right? Divide 4/5. Divide remaining share between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Between old partner, who are the old partners here? Arun and Varun. In their old profit sharing ratio. What is the old profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio, that is 4:1. So you have to write here 4:1. 4:1 means that is 4/5, right? 4/5. So you have to write here 4 by 5. 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. So this is for Arun and this is for Varun. This is the old ratio of old partners, that is Arun and Varun. So Arun share is 4. You have to write here, and then these two you have to add together, and the total you have to write here below. Okay. Now if you calculate this one, if you multiply this one, so 4 4 ja 16. Then you have to write here 5 5 ja 25. This is Arun's new share. Similarly, you have to find out Varun's new share. The Varun's new share. Varun's new share. Again, the remaining shares, divide the remaining shares. So what is the remaining share is? 4 by 5 of their old profit sharing ratio. What is the old profit sharing ratio of Varun? That is 1. 1 you have to write here, and below you have to write total. That is 4 plus 1, 5. Then if you calculate this one, so 4 1 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25. So this is Arun's new share. This is Varun's new share. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to find out. You have to find out the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So see here how you will calculate this one. Already calculated. Now you have to write the answer. New profit sharing ratio of Arun, then Varun, and now new partner admitted. The new partner name also you have to write here. That is Chayan. Now you see here, new profit sharing ratio means new ratio of Arun. New ratio of Arun is what? 16 by 25. You have to write like this way. Ratio you have to put. Then Varun, new share is what? 4 by 25. Right. And now see, Chayan share is what? 1 by 5. You have to write here 1 by 5. But you remember, students, see here, denominator value here is 25. Here also 25. But here is 5. So you have to make it equal, all the partners' denominator value. Okay. If you want to make it equal, then how you will do? So you have to do like this way. Denominator value is what? 5. The same number you have to write here, and again you have to write here above. Okay. Now you see here 16 by 25, 4 by 25, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 by 25. Right. Now see, all the denominator values same. Right. Now you have to cancel all the denominator value, because all the denominator values same. So you have to cancel all this 25 25 25. So your new profit sharing ratio will be 16, 4, then 5. Now you see, if all these add together, then what the total you will get? 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 5 25. See, 25 25 25. Right. So this is called new profit sharing ratio. I hope you understand. Now what I said, question also asked to find out sacrificing ratio. Students, sacrificing ratio. When a new partner is admitted, the old partners suffer loss in terms of share of profit. The ratio of loss suffered by old partners may be in the old profit sharing ratio or in some other ratio. Okay. Again, under the new profit sharing ratio arrangement, the old partners may sacrifice, or only one of the old partners may sacrifice. That means, what is meant by sacrifice? Sacrifice is the difference between what one was getting earlier and what he is getting now. The ratio in which the new partner is given the share by the old partners is called sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now sacrificing ratio formula what? Sacrificing ratio formula is like that. Sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio formula is like that. Old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. See what I said. In this situation, that is when the old partner's share given and new partner share also given. Okay. In this case, old share is also known as sacrificing. Okay. So now you see, I'll show you this 4:1 you will get by using this formula, sacrificing ratio, that is old ratio minus new ratio. Now you see here, sacrificing ratio, you have to find out here old ratio minus new ratio. The old ratio that is given for Arun and Varun. So you have to calculate here for Arun and Varun. So first you have to write here Arun. Okay. Then you have to write here Varun. Okay. Now Arun old ratio, what is given? Arun old ratio is given, see here, Arun old ratio given 4, right? So you have to write here 4 and total ratio will be 5. Similarly, Varun old ratio given is what? 1, right? 1 given. So you have to write here 1 and total ratio will be 5, right? Now minus new ratio. New ratio here, this one. This is called new profit sharing ratio. This is called new ratio. So 16:4:5. So 16 is for Arun, 4 is for Varun and 5 is for Chayan. So now you see here new ratio. New ratio of Arun, new ratio of Varun. The new ratio of Arun is 16. So you have to write here 16 and total ratio will be, if you add all these 3, you will get 25. Similarly, for Varun new ratio will be, that is 4 and total ratio will be 25. Now you see, if you do LCM, students, then see 25 will be LCM, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 25 25 same, 16, 20 minus 16 is equal to 4 by 25, right? Similarly, you see here, if you do LCM 25, 5 is 25, 5 is 5, 25 25 same, 4, 5 minus 4, 1 by 25. Now you see, Arun sacrifice 4 by 25, Varun sacrifice 1 by 25. Now see, both the denominator value same, right? So if you cancel it, then sacrificing ratio you will get 4:1. See, 4:1. See the equation here, 4:1. So what I said, when old partner share given and when new partner share also given, in this case old ratio is also sacrificing ratio. Okay, so that I have proved here, that is the 4:1 is correct. Okay, so in this way you have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. I hope student you understand. Okay, so thank you.